Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to unbox and review the Teendow G20 robot vacuum. So let's start with the unboxing, then we go straight to the main review. So as you can see, this is the charger. Also comes with the remote control and two batteries. Here we have the charging station as well. The design, as you can see, looks really nice and looks just like any other vacuum cleaner. It's well, the build quality is really nice and also the size is just perfect. First thing, let's talk about power. The Teendow G20 boasts an impressive 1400 PA strong suction that effortlessly sucks up dust, debris, hair, and even coffee beans. No mist stands a chance against this powerhouse. Plus, it's a 2-in-1 wonder. It vacuums and mops all in one go. With its spacious 200mm water tank, it covers over 1290 feet square in a single operation. And there is more to it. The G20 is no ordinary cleaning assistant, it's a smart one too. You can integrate it with your smart home devices like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Imagine just telling your vacuum to start cleaning. How cool is that? Plus, the Teendow app lets you control and schedule cleaning sessions with ease. Your home will be spotless with minimal effort. And now let's talk about the battery life. The G20 comes equipped with a 2600 mAh battery, giving you up to 100 minutes of runtime. That's plenty of time to clean up a space of nearly 1290 feet square on a single charge. And if you are a pet owner, rejoice. This vacuum's powerful suction and smart air intake design ensures it won't get clogged with fur or hair. Plus, its triple HEPA filtration system tackles allergens like a pro. It also features 4 cleaning modes: auto, spot, edge, and zigzag. It's like having a personal cleaning assistant that adapts to your needs. ultra-thin design. At just 2.78 inches, it effortlessly glides under furniture and into tight corners, leaving no dirt behind. As you all know, there is some kind of furniture that doesn't really allow for thick or big vacuums to go through, which is not really working in some places. But this one, with its thin design, it slides in between any furniture, and sometimes even if you have an uplifted door, it can slide through easily. Also, one of the features that I do like the most is the fact that this vacuum is self-charging, which means whenever the battery drops, the vacuum goes automatically to the charging dock and charges the battery on its own and starts or resumes the work as soon as the battery charge is enough. This vacuum is no stranger to obstacles. With a 15-degree climbing ability, it conquers corners and transitions seamlessly between hard floors and low-pile carpet thanks to its 360-degree sensor protector. It navigates around furniture and obstacles with precision. No collisions, no falls, just efficient cleaning. So there you have it, the Teendow G20 robot vacuum. It's slick, smart and powerful with a strong suction, versatile cleaning modes and smart connectivity. It's a game changer for any home. If you are ready to bid farewell to endless cleaning sessions, this little wonder may just be your answer. And also the price is just affordable. Price is just perfect for the quality. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, as always, drop them down below. I will leave a link in the description for this vacuum, and don't forget to subscribe for future videos. See you in the next video. Peace.